Piece and I put it over my nose mold. And now I'm going to make this into a cat mask. So I'm going to cut 2 ears here. And then I shape my ear. And I take out 2 small parts here. Oh, and this is rolled out in the same thickness as the mask is. So here we go. That's 1 ear. Whoops. And I'm going to put that on here. And then I'm cutting out the next one. So I have 2 alike. So you have your earpiece. And I start by squeezing the edges a bit. So it's nice and round. So it's nice and round. Smooth and soft. Then I'm going to take some of my pastel colors and I'm going to take the light red, that one I think, and I will put in some white. I have something to mix in. Oh, let's see, what do I have? Rhythm. Just a second. I'll show you. I take some of the red. And I'll take some of my white as well. And I mix it together. Then I take my pencil and I brush the ear here. Okay, I'm going to take the other one. And I take my ear and I lift up the 2 parts, and the middle part I put a little backward. And I stick it. And the 2 in front I'm going to put together like that. And I'm shaping my ears. I take a ball tool and I'm going to blend this in. And then I'm shaping my ears the way I like them. Something like that. And I take my brush and my red color here and I make the nose. The cat nose. Like that. And I'm going to make the other ears on the other ear and then I will be back. I'm back and I made the other ear. Now I take some black clay and I roll it out really, really thin. Like that. And you make 2-3 whiskers of this. For each side. Like that. And I like to make the end here a bit pointy. Take it to them. And stick it here to the nose. I hope you can see what I'm doing. Like that. You can go on, you can keep going. You can go on and make more details if you like. I think this is cute, so I'm going to stop here. No, wait, I'm going to add a little blue because of her blue hair. Like that. Like that, and then I take my stand for the mask. And carefully flip it over here. And shape it a bit. And then it's ready to be baked. So I will do that. Happy crafting!